Hello friends, I'm going to share my experience about the business I am in. Last 1 year I have got fully involved in this business, and this opportunity will give you really success and will make you the channel of blessing for many, as you can also share this Amrut juice or this we don't call it medicine, it's a food supplement, and by giving this to many people we can give good health to millions of people. One can do this by doing whatever job you are in, or if you want to take second income, or else you can even think about your profession. So hi, I am Mrs. Bharti Prashant Bansod from Pune, Maharashtra. As many of you know that I was the school teacher for last 25 years, and what had changed my life is that only one thing one day has come into my life. So one day which had come into my life, I made it my first day. My day one I have made it, and from then when I started, I never stopped. And why I never stopped? Because of my experience, and what experience I got I want to share with you. And I'm so happy to share that I was going through so many physical problem. I can say that there are many things which were troubling me, and I was not peacefully working as a teacher. And then I realized that I need something else, and allopathy for sure is not going to give me full answer, or allopathy can be the blessing, but up to some extent. And then one of my friend brought Prasad sir my home, and when sir came with Amrut juice bottle, let me tell you, I never ever even wanted to look at it. I never touched that bottle, and I was going on telling that I don't need anything because allopathy at all not giving me any kind of results. My sugar tablet, what I take 500 mg, I do have to take till end of my life. Not only that, my thyroid was my another problem. Last 15 years I was taking thyroid tablets. My obesity was my another problem. And when I was going through all this, and forcefully when I got this Amrut juice, I started taking. Initially I bought it for my mother, but I started taking it, and tremendous result I got after third dose. Let me tell you, my sugar is in control by taking this juice, and I haven't taken more than 3 months. After taking this 3 months course, my thyroid tablet has been stopped. Have you ever heard about anybody? We can do reverse sugar by taking some kind of Ayurvedic medicine, but I have never heard that we can get rid of all kind of tablets by taking anything. And what is that anything? It's tremendous juice. I believe when God created the world, the third day before farming start, or before Adam and Eve, he created Adam and Eve. The third day, when the seeds, fruits, plants and some vegetables and everything when came up, in that these kind of herbs were there. So I believe when God spoke, he just spoke it, and that powerful words, when he spoke, whatever is created by his word is that powerful, which is together like 33 kinds of herbs and 9 kinds of berries, and together it is giving us tremendous result, and it has given me tremendous result. And not only that, when I joined just for helping others, to reach others, or to give this product to others and help them in their health problems. But what I realize is that this can be the channel to earn also. And I really thank God for our Madhukar Jadhav sir, and I'm thankful to Madhukar ji sir, because he has made that plan which is bringing us the blessing kind of money. So I encourage you, if you are in teaching profession, might be nurses, might be in your government profession, whatever you are doing, I just want to encourage you, please join with me. If you have my number, please dial me, on my number, or text me, send me message on my WhatsApp, and do join with me. When I joined, I started getting, my first check was 450 rupees. And I was thinking, only 450, let's see later. But today, let me tell you, friends, that my income is more than 50,000 per month, and which is going to go double and triple in next coming 2 months. And I believe that the blessing comes from above, and yes, it has come to me through this Riansh company, and I'm thankful to Prasad sir, Hemant sir, CMD sir, and all my seniors who have kept me going and who have encouraged me. And please do and join with me. Thank you.